What's up, travelers? Good morning from Madrid. My name is Andres and welcome to my new travel episode. Today I'm flying LATAM Airlines Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner from Madrid to Frankfurt in business class. So let's get started. Some of you may ask yourself already, wait a second, isn't LATAM a South American company? Yes, LATAM Airlines based in Santiago in Chile. So this plane arrives from Santiago to Madrid and then continues to Frankfurt. Another interesting fact is that actually this flight from Madrid to Frankfurt in business class can cost you less than $100. So basically this flight is, I think, cheapest one I have ever found on the market, and I cannot wait to try it. I paid for the business class just $85. So let's go to the airport. Hey guys, welcome from Madrid Airport Business Lounge. In about 45 minutes our flight will be ready for boarding. So yeah, I'll have something to eat now at the lounge, then listen to some music, and I'll be ready to fly. So I just boarded LATAM 787 Dreamliner. Looking good. The seat is super comfortable. Yeah, it's very nice. I like it.
Jessica.
Nice to meet you. landed in Frankfurt. It's very nice. So finally I'm in the hotel and I'm super happy about this flight. First of all, big thanks to the cabin crew members. You made this flight super amazing. I was so happy to see that the cabin crew member comes to introduces himself or herself by name. Yeah, then about the food. Food was super perfect. We got salmon with salad as well as mascarpone dessert with chocolate and orange. This flight was just like 2 hours and 30 minutes, so we didn't get the mini ticket, but that's fine. If I would need to fly from Madrid to Frankfurt once again, I would definitely choose LATAM Airlines because it is worth it. And you will get amazing food, you will have full flatbed, you will have amazing people around you, you can find your business partners, and yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, please make sure to subscribe, put the like down below, and yeah, follow my stories on my Instagram. You'll find the link as well in the description. Adios.